Welcome to the vlog, guys. It is Monday. This is my outfits. I'm wearing all red. I'm wearing these Adidas pants, this cropped sweatshirt from Pretty Little Thing, but I got it off a dope. It's messed up. I'm gonna fix that. I just don't have time right now. And then I'm just wearing my white Vans. Gotta throw on this black jacket. It is nice outside and it's Monday. And yeah, this bitch slept over and he's going back to sleep. And I'm going to class. Have fun. Michael and I are here to conquer the day, conquer this e-contest. I got noodles and it is currently 11. So good. We got more food. How's that one smell?
Oh, this one smells good.
So disappointed in myself right now. I thought I was gonna do my economics paper. Went to sleep instead, so I need to do that after this. Michael and I went to Bath and Body Works and we got the same thing. I always call it Bed Bath & Beyond. I know it's Bath and Body Works, but I don't know why they all just, there's too many B's. This is by White Barn and it is cinnamon spice vanilla. It smells so good. Guys, my nail is gone too. Okay, don't touch me. Getting them done tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm gonna go do homework and like try to get my life together. Oh, I have to wash. I still want to be a person, but yeah, I need to do some laundry, so I'm gonna do that probably and write my paper. Wait, the lighting's better this way. We're going to Taco Bell. Yeah, I live on 72nd Street. This Taco Bell is on 98th. Here we are, approaching. Oh shit, bitch.
You have to get like a million sauce.
Got our Taco Bell. Now we have to set up all the lights and everything because we didn't do it before. We just filmed our mukbang.
Did I gain 300 pounds? Does it look like it?
Oh no, you're skinny. Really just crushed this. Look how disgusting the table is. Look
monsters!
Yeah.
Monsters! Literally. Oh, the Ralph Simmons.
They're definitely men's. Are they?
What? No. What's wrong?
They look so big.
They look fine. That's just how it like Stan Smith looks so big.
I'm usually 6.5, but I ordered a 6 to wear this out tonight. So cute with the shoes. Way later in the day, and Michael and I had done nothing all day. I'm wearing this Adidas sweatsuit from Frankie Collective. My jean jacket is from Princess Polly, and I'm wearing my Ralph Simmons. Just got them with socks on. And yeah, this is my outfit. Michael's wearing all black. Nothing new.
What's new? The old
Little man is snoring. He went to bed. He bumped his head.
What?
You didn't know? You don't what?
I don't know the rest of that.
What do you say after?
I don't know, like Tinkleberry, Dingleberry. Like.
I only have one class today because it's makeup week, and then Michael and I are gonna go downtown, so I wanted to dress cute and it's nice and warm outside. Two-piece set is from Daniel Guzio. I'm wearing this white jean jacket from Doe. I think it's from Princess Polly, and then I'm wearing my Jordans. It's under the skirt is a little scandalous for school, and I know people will be like, why are you wearing that to school and stuff, but I'm literally wearing it to one class and then going downtown and take pictures. So I really don't care. It's not even like a real class. It's just like a review session. So yeah, I just don't care. Okay, yeah. I have some hoops in, and yeah, I only have one class, so let's go. Done for the day. We are out of classes, and it's beautiful. Summer. It's so, yeah, that was our last class.
Hag.
Michael's gonna go back to my apartment because I had to meet with my managers. So Michael's gonna go back to my apartment, and then we're gonna go downtown to Soho. I bought something from IMG literally 2 months ago, and I finally got it today. And they're white cargo pants. I have these already in dark denim, and I got them in white. So cute. And it comes with a black buckle belt. I had my Jordans on. I don't know, it just wasn't, Michael wasn't feeling it. So I changed.
Sorry guys.
And now we're going to Soho. Yay! Gonna take the Q train. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Let's go, bitch. This escalator is something else. It is so long for no reason. We just got to Soho and this lighting is awful. But, oh wait, are we going?
Try this.
We're going to take some photos right now. So we're finding some vibes. How pretty. I love these buildings down here.
Oh, these are good. We've got some bomb ass shit.
I see red when I drink too much. I don't think that I had enough, so I keep sipping till it's all gone.
I just want to like tear up.
Okay. Your face is gonna be in it, but you can crop it, right?
These are so big.
Okay. It's not about the commitment.
These are huge. But I really like these actually. I got a chocolate chip croissant heated up, and then I got a berry hibiscus venti. This is like my summer order. I have like a summer order and I have a winter order, but this is my summer order. What did you get?
My summer order is a French vanilla iced coffee with whole milk. I know, don't judge me. I get skim milk on regular days and a water.
I am back at my apartment now, and I am just going to get ready for bed and do some homework because I have a paper I have to do. That is what I'm going to do for the rest of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Thursday. I don't have classes and I have some plans with my friends. We're going to go to Brooklyn and it's so beautiful outside. I wore this top last week, but I didn't get any Instagram pictures, so did I like really wear it? Black with white stitching, and then my pants are white with black stitching. It just looks like cool. My pants and my shirts are both from IMGA, and then I'm just wearing my red Jordan. I'm gonna meet up with all my friends right now and we're gonna go to Brooklyn, so let's go. Michael and I are complete opposites. He has black with white stitching and then I have white with black stitching.
I love it.
And then I'm wearing a black top and he's wearing a white top. We're literally opposites.
Vibes.
Look how cute. Oh, look at these shoes.
Coffee.
Okay, nice. We're walking to Roberta's Pizza. Some art over here. Cute, we're in Williamsburg.
Like this.
So good.
Outfit.
Wait, am I getting too close?
I don't even know if I'm posed right.
This lighting is so, oh wait, this is okay. We just got done thrift shopping and no one got anything. We went to 2 stores.
My area.
Which horses? Where are we going now?
What a day.
What a day. We're going to Manhattan, right? To go get dessert, I think. Just walking. Oh, we're in Union Square. Pretty. Now we're walking. Again.
The whole vlog.
We're just walking.
Now we're walking in a whole new place with Manhattan.
This is a taxi station.
Yeah, it used to be where people would wait.
That's cute.
My mom has eaten in there. It's really cool.
What? Tavern on the Green?
Yeah, it's a restaurant in the middle of Central Park. Look how cute.
That is so cute. We should go eat there one
Right?
day.
It's like a little cottage style.
Aw, there's a horsey. Aw. I actually feel bad for them.
Me too. Struggling.
Like, that is actually so sad. Wanted to go to the East Village, and we walked to the East Village, and he goes, let's go to Washington Square Park.
It wasn't my vision.
on both sides. Oh, let's get all your friends get coffee and pastries.
All over my hands. Paige just had to vlog now.
And I got pasta. Pick a house. Michael.
One more set of silverware. There we go.
Oh. We are back from doing everything in the universe today. We went to the West Village. We went everywhere. Literally went to Brooklyn. We conquered all of Manhattan today. We just got back to their apartment, all my friends' apartment, and we're going to watch The Devil Wears Prada. I hope you guys enjoyed this college week in my life video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!